We get the buzz on the best job site saw.
PTR whacks their weeds.
And we finally axe the big questions. Are the Germans the best?
It's Friday, July 6th.
This is your Cop Tool Week in Review.
In an attempt to follow DeWalt a mere 2 years late, Hitachi will soon introduce their new multi-volt platform to the world. We were treated to a few sneak peeks this week by Kruger Construction and Joe Montag. Kruger gives us a first-person view of the coming impact and circular saw, but it's Joe's demo that really caught our eye. He directly compares the new tech to Hitachi battery it replaces, and the results are convincing. No word yet when Milwaukee will finally cave to peer pressure and introduce their own multi-dual flex fuel 120-volt power extreme championship edition batteries.
Looking to the Great White North, we find the Canadian carpenter attaching a Prezi beam cutter to his DeWalt FlexVolt circular saw. The beam cutter offers an easy way to get perfectly straight cuts through beams up to 12 inches or 8 inches at 45 degrees. The Prezi appears to work well, but we're still waiting on the drill, disc sander, and egg beater attachments before we throw out the rest of our tools.
Have you ever wondered where tools go to die? Me neither. For a few lucky tools, they end up at Hand Tool Rescue, where they are painstakingly restored tools to their former glory. This week, they posted a Zen-like video of the restoration of a 1960s Strunk electric chainsaw. For a relaxing 27 minutes, you can watch them disassemble, clean, paint, rebuild, and re-beautify this power tool relic, all in complete silence. If you're looking for something slightly faster paced, you can do what I did and adjust the playback to double speed while playing Benny Hill while you watch.
Are you planning to buy a job site saw soon and can't decide between a Bosch, Delta, DeWalt, Hitachi, Makita, Rigid, SawStop, or Skillsaw? Well, fret not, the boys over at Toolbox Buzz have you covered. After months of sawing, adjusting, moving, and making, they finally completed their job site head-to-head, you get the idea. The saws duke it out in 4 categories: precision, performance, price, and ergonomics. It's an excellent read accompanied by an informative video. We don't want to spoil the surprise and tell you who wins, but we'll give you a hint. It's not the Fisher-Price.
It's tough being the new guy. This goes double on the job site, where the boredom of repetitive tasks almost always leads to random tomfoolery, usually at the expense of a rookie. Insane Shane, not to be confused with his brother mildly excited Steve, posted an excellent example of welder shenanigans. Rumor has it, Randy is still trying to weld that pipe today.
It's contest time. Looking to win something you didn't earn? Good news, ITC is giving away several Milwaukee-themed gifts. Workshop Addict is pushing its rigid tools on us. Toolbox Buzz is trying to get rid of an M18 table saw, but none of that matters because Metabo is giving away an epic barbecue grill and football set.
Actually, only UK residents can win the Metabo stuff.
Screw you, Metabo.
Whoa, calm down.
I really want that grill. It's like a barrel.
You can find the links to all of these contests in the description below. The guys over at OPE Reviews reminded us this week that not every tool is powered by 38-pound batteries yet. They gathered 10 gas-powered string trimmers featuring both 2- and 4-cycle options from a wide range of brands, and they use each one to whack their weeds and trim the grass in an attempt to name the king of the yard work. Comparing features, noise, weight, fuel efficiency, runtime, and more, they attack every inch of the big backyard until a victor emerges. You can find out who won at opereviews.com.
Finally, let me ask you a question. Are the best tools German tools? German Tool Reviews thinks so. The YouTube channel is dedicated to the review of tools only made in Deutschland. And this week they turn their eye to the trusty long-handled axe. Specifically, he pits the Oschenkopf Big Ox Maul up against the Helco Varlo 2000 Heavy Log Splitter. The tools both look great and appear to work well. We just wish we could understand German so we could hear what he thinks of each one.
So I've done reviews on both of these already.
Such a beautiful language. If you can understand this guy, be sure to check out his videos at youtube.com/GermanToolReviews.
That's it for us this week, but before we go, we'd like to congratulate Brian Beerfield for winning the Pass Load Nail Gun.
This week we're giving away this rigid 18-volt Gen 5X cordless half-inch impact wrench. To enter, simply subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment on this episode.
Speaking of winners, we've had a pleasant surprise. Last week, we found out that our winner of the DeWalt compressor lived only a half an hour away from us. So we invited him down to pick up his prize. This is Aaron Cashin.
Here you go, buddy.
Did you open this?
We just saved $8 on shipping.
That's it. We'll see you next week.